You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from Italy. If you want to learn more names from Italian cuisine that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you. The Italian pronunciation first is pronounced as crostoli. Those are crispy fried Italian pastries. Crostoli, with a stress on the first syllable. This is why in English similarly you respect this stress. Crostoli is generally how it's pronounced. Crostoli from Italian. Again, listen carefully, the Italian pronunciation, how to pronounce crostoli. Bow tie cookies. Crostoli. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.